Nature's top 10 deadliest animals and why. From tiny insects to massive reptiles, the natural world is home to some of the deadliest creatures on Earth. Today we will explore the top 10 deadliest animals in the world and learn why they are so dangerous to humans. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button for more amazing videos. Number 10. Mosquitoes. You may not think much of a mosquito buzzing around your head, but don't be fooled by their tiny size. Mosquitoes are actually the deadliest animals on Earth. According to the World Health Organization, mosquitoes are responsible for approximately 725,000 to 780,000 deaths each year. So why are mosquitoes so deadly? Well, it's because only female mosquitoes bite humans and other animals, and they do so to obtain blood meals, which they need for producing eggs. During this process, they can transmit a variety of dangerous diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, West Nile virus, yellow fever, Zika virus, chikungunya, and lymphatic filariasis. Malaria alone is responsible for hundreds of thousands of deaths each year, primarily in sub-Saharan Africa. Although mosquitoes may seem like small, insignificant creatures, they are capable of causing devastating consequences to human lives. Their ability to adapt and thrive in various environments, including urban areas, makes them a constant threat to human populations worldwide. Number 9. Humans. Yes, you heard that right. Humans are the second deadliest species on the planet. Shocking, isn't it? But let's take a closer look at the numbers. Humans kill approximately 540,000 people each year. This may be attributed to various factors such as violence, homicide, war, and accidents. However, it's essential to understand that this figure also includes deaths caused by human-transmitted diseases like measles or influenza. The real dark side of humanity comes out through homicide and war, which account for a large portion of the 540,000 deaths. While it's true that humans have the potential to do great good in the world, we also have a capacity for immense destruction and violence. Conflicts, crime, and human-made disasters are all too common, resulting in the loss of innocent lives. Whether it's intentional acts of violence or negligence, humans can cause harm to themselves and others. In the end, it's our actions that determine whether we are a force for good or evil in this world. Number 8. Snakes. Snakes are another group of animals that kill a significant number of people each year. According to the World Health Organization, they are responsible for an estimated 75,000 to 138,000 deaths per year. Most of these deaths occur in Asia and Africa, where venomous snakes are more prevalent. Venomous snake bites can cause symptoms such as tissue damage, internal bleeding, and even death. However, many snake bites are not fatal if treated promptly. There are around 700 species of venomous snakes worldwide, with about 250 capable of killing a human with a single bite. Snake venom can contain neurotoxins, which affect the nervous system, or hemotoxins, which affect the blood and tissues. The most effective treatment for a venomous snake bite is anti-venom. Some of the most venomous snakes in the world include cobras, vipers, mambas, and taipans. Their venom is highly toxic and can cause death within hours if left untreated. However, there are also many non-venomous snakes that play an important role in controlling rodent populations and maintaining healthy ecosystems. Number 7. Dogs! Yes, believe it or not, dogs, our beloved pets and loyal companions, are responsible for about 13,000 deaths every year. So what makes these furry friends so dangerous? Well, it all boils down to one tiny virus, rabies. Rabies is a deadly disease that affects the central nervous system of mammals, including dogs and humans. And unfortunately, dogs are one of the main vectors for transmitting this virus to humans. When an infected animal bites or scratches a person, the rabies virus enters the body and travels to the brain. Once there, it causes inflammation of the brain and eventually leads to death. The scary part is that rabies is almost always fatal once symptoms begin to show. The good news is that we can prevent rabies by vaccinating both our pets and ourselves. By doing so, we can keep ourselves and our furry companions safe from this deadly disease. Number 6. Freshwater snails. Believe it or not, these little guys are responsible for a whopping 10,000 to 200,000 deaths each year. How do they do it? Well, these seemingly harmless creatures act as intermediate hosts for a nasty parasite called a blood fluke. Blood flukes are flatworms that live in freshwater snails and infect humans through their feces. When humans come into contact with contaminated water, the parasite enters their bodies and makes its way to the liver and blood vessels. There, it lays eggs that cause a disease called schistosomiasis, also known as bilharzia. Schistosomiasis can lead to chronic illness, organ damage, and even death. The worst part is that this disease mostly affects people in tropical and subtropical regions who don't have access to clean water and basic health care. But don't worry, there is hope. We can help prevent schistosomiasis by improving sanitation, providing access to clean water, and treating those already infected. So let's do our part to help control this deadly snail-borne disease. Number 5, assassin bugs. Assassin bugs may sound like something out of a horror movie, but unfortunately, they're very real and very dangerous. Kissing bugs, a subfamily of assassin bugs, are found in the Americas and are known to transmit a parasite called Trypanosoma cruzi. This parasite causes Chagas disease, which can lead to severe heart problems and digestive issues. The name kissing bug comes from their habit of biting humans around the face while they sleep. And here's a fun fact for you. Assassin bugs are also predatory insects. They inject a venom into their insect prey, which paralyzes and liquefies their victim. That's right. These little creatures are not only dangerous to humans, but also to other animals. But don't worry, there is hope. We can protect ourselves from kissing bugs by using insect repellent, keeping our homes clean, and making sure our screens are tight and without holes. Number 4, Ascaris roundworms. Ascaris lumbricoides, commonly known as giant intestinal roundworms, are a type of parasitic worm that lives in the intestines of pigs and humans. They are one of the most common human parasitic infections worldwide, especially in areas with poor sanitation. Infection occurs by ingesting eggs, often through contaminated food or soil. Many infections are asymptomatic, but heavy infestations, particularly in children, can lead to malnutrition, growth stunting, and potentially fatal intestinal blockages or other complications. Number 3, tsetse flies. Tsetse flies are a type of biting fly found exclusively in sub-Saharan Africa. They are responsible for transmitting a microscopic parasite called trypanosomes, which causes African trypanosomiasis, also known as sleeping sickness. This disease can be fatal if left untreated, as it eventually attacks the central nervous system and brain. Symptoms include fever, headaches, joint pain, and neurological issues, including sleep disturbances and confusion. Number 2, crocodiles. Crocodiles are powerful and stealthy aquatic predators found in tropical regions around the world. They are one of the most dangerous animals in the world, with a bite force strong enough to crush bones and a set of razor-sharp teeth designed for catching and tearing apart prey. Crocodiles can deliver a fatal bite in just a few seconds, and their bite is rarely forgiving. They are known to target humans who venture into their territory, particularly near water sources. Saltwater crocodiles are considered the most dangerous species due to their aggressive nature and large size. When hunting, they often use a technique known as the death roll, in which they spin and twist in the water to dismember their prey. Despite their fearsome reputation, crocodiles play an important role in their ecosystems as apex predators. Number 1, hippopotamus. Hippopotamuses, despite their somewhat comical appearance, are among the most aggressive and territorial mammals in Africa. They are responsible for hundreds of deaths each year, mainly in sub-Saharan countries. With their massive jaws and huge teeth, hippos are capable of delivering powerful bites that can easily crush bones. Hippos are also excellent runners and can reach speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour on land. Additionally, they are strong swimmers and spend a significant amount of time in water to regulate their body temperature and escape the heat. However, they can become extremely dangerous when they feel threatened or provoked. Mother hippos are particularly aggressive during mating season or when they feel their offspring are in danger. Their attacks are often unprovoked and can catch humans off guard. In recent years, hippo-related deaths have increased due to factors such as habitat loss, climate change, and human encroachment into hippo territory. So there you have it, the top 10 deadliest animals on the planet. From the tiniest mosquito to the mightiest crocodile, these creatures have all earned their reputation as being dangerous and deadly. But remember, knowledge is power. So keep learning and stay curious about the world around you. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of dangerous animals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.